Welcome back to another high-octane episode here on Autocrafters. Today we're diving into something truly special, a nameplate that has been etched into the DNA of American muscle car history for over half a century. This is the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, the purest, most track-focused, no-nonsense Camaro you can buy today. This isn't just another trim level or a cosmetic package. The Z28 is Chevy's declaration of war on mediocrity. It's about stripping away the fluff, honing the engineering, and creating a weapon that thrives where rubber meets tarmac. The Z28 badge means business, and in 2025 it's faster, sharper, and more hardcore than ever before. The design language of the 2025 Camaro Z28 screams purpose. Everything here serves performance first, aesthetic second, and that's exactly why it looks so jaw-dropping. Front fascia, a menacing wide-mouth grille, feeds cold air directly into the engine and brake ducts. Flanking it are massive functional intakes to keep temperatures under control during high-speed track sessions. Aerodynamics, Chevy engineers went wild with the Aero package. There's a deep front splitter, aggressive side skirts, rear diffuser, and a motorsport-inspired swan neck rear wing, all generating serious downforce, over 350 pounds at 150 miles per hour. A vented carbon fiber hood not only sheds weight but also extracts hot air from the engine bay, improving cooling and reducing lift. Wheels and tires, it sits on ultra-lightweight 19-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 are tires about as sticky as street-legal rubber gets. Lighting, LED headlights with a darkened housing and signature DRL pattern make it unmistakable even at night. Step inside. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom unit wrapped in suede for extra grip, with a red center stripe at 12 o'clock, a nod to its racing pedigree. While the interior is stripped down compared to a Camaro SS or ZL1, you still get modern necessities: an updated 12.3-inch digital driver's display, an 8-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. But hey, the key: sound insulation has been reduced, meaning you hear more of that glorious V8 at work. Inside, the Z28 is all about focus. You won't find massaging seats or a panoramic sunroof here. This is a cockpit designed for driving. The standard seats are Recaro bucket seats with aggressive bolstering, upholstered in a mix of Alcantara and leather. They keep you locked in during hard cornering while still offering enough comfort for a spirited road trip. Under the hood, when you hear the name Z28, your mind immediately goes to raw power and razor-sharp handling. The 2025 model continues the tradition with an all-new 6.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 codenamed LT6 that are derived from Chevrolet's C8 race program. This engine is a flat-plane crank masterpiece, pumping out an astonishing 670 horsepower at a screaming 8,400 RPM with 460 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, because Chevy knows the Z28 crowd loves to row their own gears. There's also an optional 8-speed dual-clutch automatic for those chasing absolute lap times. Both transmissions have been tuned with track use in mind, offering aggressive downshifts, short gearing for explosive acceleration, and lightning-quick shifts. The 2025 Camaro Z28 can sprint from 0-60 mph in just 3.2 seconds when equipped with the DCT, and around 3.6 seconds with the manual. Top speed a blistering 202 miles per hour. But hey, the thing: this car isn't just about straight-line speed. In fact, Chevy deliberately focused more on cornering grip and braking performance than on drag strip dominance. That's what sets the Z28 apart from other Camaro trims and even from many rivals. Braking is handled by carbon ceramic rotors clamped by massive 6-piston Brembo calipers in the front and 4-piston units in the rear. This setup not only provides fade-free performance on track days but also reduces unsprung weight for better handling. Chevy claims the Z28 can come to a dead stop from 60 miles per hour in less than 98 feet, a figure usually reserved for exotic supercars. In conclusion, the 2025 Camaro Z28 isn't just another fast Camaro, it's the purest, most hardcore track weapon Chevy has put on sale in years. It's the kind of car that demands respect, rewards skill, and delivers an experience that's becoming increasingly rare in today's performance car landscape. If you're lucky enough to own one, you don't just have a muscle car, you've got a living piece of motorsport history reborn for a new era. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2025 Camaro Z28, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Autocrafters for more in-depth car content, and let me know in the comments what you think of Camaro bringing back the brat name. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.